What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. So I hope you enjoy. This recipe is really easy and it's really fun, honestly, because you have to like flip it and you have to saute. It's so much fun. And it takes like 4 minutes, honestly. Like the entire thing takes like 4 minutes to make. So I hope you enjoy and I will see you at the end of the video. Woo-hoo. Okay, voiceover me. Hi, how you doing? So the first thing you want to do is you want to set your pan over medium-high heat, throw some butter in there, make sure to spread it all around the pan so then it gets evenly coated and nothing sticks, because that is the last thing that you want. You know when your butter is ready when it starts bubbling and it gets all like shimmery and it's really nice. So after that you just throw 1 clove of garlic, roughly chopped garlic, in there, and you mix it around, make sure it gets all brown. You want to put the garlic in first because it is probably the strongest thing that we'll have in the omelet. After that, you want to add your onions in and you want to let those go until they are translucent. This will also cook out a lot of the, I guess, spike of the onion and garlic, because those are both really strong. You don't want raw onion and garlic in there. As you can see, I added tomatoes and spinach in. Those are just for nutritional value, I guess. The tomatoes also taste really nice, and so does the spinach. So you could really add anything you want. You could add some bacon, I guess, potatoes, just whatever you want into your omelet. When the spinach is all wilted, we're just going to transfer everything into a bowl. Awesome, right? And we're just going to put that on the side. Now we're going to add a little bit more butter, probably just a tiny bit, and we're going to whisk up some eggs and make sure they're all combined, spread our butter around again, and pour the eggs in. This is the most important part because this is making the omelet. Now you just want to pour your eggs in and you want to slowly tilt your eggs all around the pan to make sure that the egg is getting set and cooked, and then you can continue moving it. As you could see here, I'm kind of waiting for the bottom layer to cook and then I continue moving it around the pan. So this will make a nice round omelet and a nice big round omelet too. So cool. Now we're just going to cover it and let that sit for, I do about 30 to 45 seconds. Yeah, that's how long it'll take, or until the sides of the omelet are fully cooked and the middle is still a little runny. Now we're just gonna flip it. This was take 2, so I'm happy you guys didn't have to see take 1 because that was tragic. So your omelet should be a little golden. The reason there are a couple specks is because we sauteed stuff, so that's just left over. It's fine. And then you just want to add your fillings in on one side. You can't put it in the middle or else it's gonna not look pretty, but you just want to put it all on one side. I seasoned my vegetables and everything with just salt and pepper, and I seasoned my eggs with just a tiny bit of salt. So you could season it with whatever. And now you just want to you want to fold your omelet and then grate some cheese over it. This is optional, but I added some really good cheese. I forgot what it's called. I'll probably like add it in. I don't know. I added some cheese and I put a little bit of water in, about a tablespoon of water, and I put the lid back over top and I just let that steam the cheese so then it gets all melty. And yeah, that's it, man. Woo! Awesome. So now you just put it on a plate and present it. This omelet is so good. Trust me. I definitely recommend making it. And yeah, everything works together so well. The cheese is nice and salty. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment what your favorite filling is for your omelet. Yeah, for your omelet. My favorite is probably tomatoes and spinach. I love that combination so much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!